Hey everybody, so I got a new dash cam from Viofo. This one was sent over to me to review. This one is the WM1. All right, so inside the box you get your dash camera, 3 simple buttons on here, record, mic, and Wi-Fi. This one does not have a screen, so you're not going to have any of that to see. You got your camera here in the front, and it does adjust up and down. You do get a cigarette lighter, Type C, and you do have a Type C regular USB cord that you can use for hooking up to the computer. And then you got a little pry bar and you got your little sticker things. I'll go ahead and get this set up and we'll do some footage. All right, so we're back after I've used it. I drove it around. We got some footage both night and day. Also, this has to be controlled by an app, of course. There is no screen. Now, I do have the app all here. And what you're going to have to do is you're going to need to turn, or the Wi-Fi will automatically turn on when you start this up. Anyway, you're going to have to connect to that network. So you're going to go into your settings, connect to that Wi-Fi. Once it's connected, you'll be able to go. It'll let you know you've been connected. And you're going to go into the app. You're going to go ahead and connect your camera, and then it's going to connect to it. Now, I had some issues trying to get my regular phone connected just because it kept trying to reconnect to the CarPlay with my truck, so you might have to turn that off in order to do this. Now, as you can see, this one, you can see a live view right now. It actually is pretty lag-free. It works really well for live. Also, if you have one of their other dash cams that have multiple cameras and you could switch the camera on there, you could also do the snapshot, you could take some pictures, you could do a manual record, and there are some different settings that you can go in there. Oh, you do have to stop the recording in order to go in and do anything. So you can go in and you'll see the files that are already there, and you'll see the dates. So you'll see like there's some files from yesterday, there's some files from today that I just did. You also can go in and you can see your locked files if you did lock something. Now, I'm not going to go into extreme details with all this app. I'm just kind of just showing you generic really quick. If in your settings, you go in there though, and you can change your resolution. This one you could do 1080 or you could do the 1440. You could choose to do your audio, your loop recording. You could do all the way up to 10 minutes. So this is one of the highest ones out of all the dash cams that I've done. Usually 3 or 5 minutes are the highest that I see personally. Then, of course, you got your G sensor. You will need to hardwire this if you want to be able to have your G sensor and your parking modes. And then, of course, you could do your date stamps. You could do your time zones. And you could just go through there. I'm not going to go into all the details. You could also do your GPS and your speed limits. So you do have control of all of that. And then the other thing, you could download the video straight from here using the app. So if you wanted to go back to that one section where you saw the videos, I could click on that and then I could click the download and it's going to start downloading it straight to my phone. Now, it's not going to be super fast, but this would be a way that you could get it onto your phone quickly if you're out like in an accident. And if any other time though, you could take the memory card out and put it into a computer. Anyway, hopefully this gives you a good idea what to expect with this dash camera. It's not bad. It does get a pretty decent picture. I do like that the app works very quickly without any lag. And the picture quality is pretty decent. This is the WM1 from Viofo.